Time for fireworks again. This is gonna be part 1.
Wait,
Recording.
Wait, are you recording a video?
Yeah, I'm gonna record the fireworks. I record fireworks every year.
Michael, you got some tape in your bag?
No. If I didn't want to work, we had the wheat duct tape. We got great value duct tape, whatever it's called. Dollar Tree.
Make sure it's level. If it tips over, it'll start shooting.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
That one's good.
I'm not. Yay. That's nice.
We have more fireworks shows.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot more.
I'm gonna lap long. There it goes.
They don't last that long though.
Hey, we have another one,
I'm
guys.
gonna wait till Kelvin gets back to do the other one.
Have you guys lit off the candles yet?
No. You wanna see the frog?
Yeah, that's the frog one.
Where?
And let's do found next.
Where's the frog?
Or it's up to Kelvin actually.
We should do this one.
Kelvin has the frog.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, what?
Also, back over there.
Go, I'll go look for the frog.
Kelvin probably got it.
No, we don't.
I know where it is.
Okay, we're gonna do the dog.
Okay, light it. Go ahead and light it. I'm gonna light the puppy poopy.
Dad, I want to do that other one.
Do this
Dad,
little
Dad,
frog.
Dad.
Do it.
Dad, on. Dad, I want to do this one.
Okay, hang on.
Dark.
This one might not be that impressive.
Probably not. Okay, bet. It's gonna shoot out the back end. Yep, there it goes.
Well, that's impressive.
Explosive diarrhea.
Still going?
I don't have no clue. It's on fire though. Okay, we're gonna light the nice one.
Turn into poop.
A small one. There it goes. I want a light one, Andrew.
Look, Kelvin.
Nice.
Ta-da! Beautiful, guys, ain't it?
Mhm.
Woo! Dad, do this one next, and then we'll do that
I
one.
thought we were doing the little ones first.
I'm gonna do this one right here since I got it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, stay tuned. We're getting a big one.